Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Mathematical Institute of Learning. So in this lecture series I'm going to provide you lecture series for class 11th and the chapter will be relations and functions. Relations and functions. So let us see, this is an important chapter, relations and functions. Let us see first the topics covered in this lecture series. We will go through these topics in the next lectures, and topic 1 is, so we'll write here topics covered. Okay, and the first topic we'll discuss is ordered pairs. And the second topic which we discuss is Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets. Then we'll discuss about the relations, which is very important. We'll discuss about the relations. In this relations, first we'll understand the topic of relations, then we'll see the domain, range, and codomain. Under the topic relations, there are some subtopics: domain of a relation, range of a relation, and codomain of a relation. Also, we'll see what do we mean by image and the pre-image. Okay. Next, we have an important discussion which is called the function. We'll see here the definition of function. What do we call the functions in mathematics? So actually the function, it is the heart of the calculus. The function is regarded as the heart of calculus. Calculus, as you know, which is studied in the class 12th. Okay, so functions is very important. Next we'll discuss the domain and range of the function. In this topic, domain and range of a function, here we'll learn how to calculate the domain and the range of different functions. Okay, and next we'll discuss the kinds of functions. Okay, so this will be the if we talk about the kinds of functions, here we'll let us say we'll discuss the identity function, we'll discuss modulus function, we'll discuss algebraic function. Okay, and we discuss rational function, we'll discuss trigonometric function, and also we'll discuss there is a function which is known as the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. So these are the topics which will cover in the relation and the functions. Okay, thank you so much.